My brothers and sisters, we need to remember that when we try and impress the world, we may lose our sanity. We may lose our happiness. We will never be satisfied because the world moves ahead and continues to progress, and we will have to live up to something new every day. And if we don't live up, we've lost out. So you might have been a very popular person because of something Allah blessed you with at a certain point, and a few days later or a month or a year later, that thing may not be as popular anymore. So if your focus was to please human beings, you will never achieve that goal. Human beings will never be pleased with you long term. Maybe short term, yeah, they might be okay with you. But when you don't have what they want you to have, they no longer want to know you, subhanallah, in most cases. But those who are genuine will always be with you, even if you're not trying to impress them. So just try to impress Allah. When you're impressing Allah, nothing can go wrong. Allah loves you, and He will make sure the right people love you. So if you're going to sit back and try and impress the whole world because you have something or you've compromised your relationship with Allah, do you know that with social media right now, a lot of people would only achieve attention or gain that attention by transgressing the commands of Allah? That's a fact. A lot of people on social media have to do something that is considered religiously taboo in order to gain the attention of people. They lose the attention of Allah. Subhanallah, think about it. So if you're gaining popularity for the right reasons, mashallah, good news to you. Wallahi, it's so beautiful. But if you are gaining that attention with the wrong things, which is the majority, then we need to change that. Never mind if the people don't know you. For as long as the angels know, they take your deeds going up every day, and Allah knows, that's sufficient. For Allah alone to know is actually sufficient. And Allah knows your heart. He will give you the tranquility. I'd rather be known by a smaller number of people, my own family and a few friends, and perhaps a little circle of people, as a good person, reaching out to them and being able to prove myself as a slave of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to Allah as to what He wants from me, than to be known by so many people, but I'm not content, I'm not happy. So if you look at the popular people across the globe, you know, be they pop stars or singers or whatever else, in a lot of cases, they're not satisfied with themselves because they're running a race they can never ever win. They will have to live up to a standard that's always going to be pushing the limits, breaking certain lines and barriers with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if that is the case, they can't achieve contentment.